Ready?
Hi, Bailey.
Good girl, Kuma. Yeah, so, Hawk was coming from 240th also. It's the third dog today.
Go play, Bailey. Go play. You got a bunch of friends your size now.
That was funny, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. Well, they had a bit of a quiet one. It was nice. They were all finally sleeping.
Hi. And then I interrupted it.
Well, the phone rang. I thought, blah, blah. The way I say hello certain times, she'll freak out. Shadow. Oh, thank you, Kuma.
There you go. Oh, Pino. That's a good boy.
Good girl, Kuma. Oh.
Bailey, where'd you go? There you are.
Those are the same dog?
They look the same, eh?
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
Django's got the curl tail like a Shih Tzu. Shih Tzu?
Is he part Bichon too, maybe?
No, poodle.
Poodle Shih Tzu. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, he's a miniature poodle, Bailey is.
What's that one there? The little black one.
Pino?
I like him.
He's Minton Chihuahua.
Yeah, he's cool.
He's feisty, is what he is.
Yeah.
He's got a lot of attitude.
Have you been to the park down here?
Yeah, I've been there a couple of times. I haven't been with the small guys yet because I have to take separate trips because I can't, like, I don't know if I can have Pino in the large dog area, but I can't have Jaeger in the small dog area. So.
They just put that up, the small dog area.
Yeah.
Last year. And they used to be all the same.
Yeah. Because, I mean, well, it's a shame because, like, my Rotties love playing with small dogs, but I can't be in both fenced areas at the same time if I bring them both.
Yeah.
So.
You can always bring them over here because we have lots of small dogs.
Well, that's what I was thinking, you know, because he needs more socialization with dogs his own size.
Where's the toy, Kuma?
What do you think?
Where's the toy? Bring it here. Nope, it's over there. Come on.
Bailey, where'd you go?
Come on.
There you are.
Here.
Hi, Bailey.